What is going on, guys? Artie Fox here, back with with the first ever video on my channel. Yeah, and I'm starting it off basically with COD. Oh wait, why'd I go out? A COD Battle Royale. I won the previous Battle Royale, but for some reason I was not recording, and it was very disappointing because I did a pistol challenge, and I was only allowed to do a pistol, and I actually won. I was really surprised because the last time I tried it, I died very painfully and a lot of times. But anyways, guys, if you do enjoy this video, it would be very nice of you to give a thumbs up and subscribe. If you do make me happy and my friend, because I think he's relying on me to first see how this YouTuber business is going. Sure. And this video gets 2 likes. It's not very high, especially since I'm new. This video gets 2 likes, I will do a part 2 of this, but with my friend, because he's coming online in now. It was 6 hours earlier, it's now 5 hours. Alright, so we'll see how well this goes. This is now the pistol challenge being recorded solo. Alright, here we go. I have been desperado. That guy over there kills me. I go down on the floor and I get a pistol and I get to shoot him. And if I kill him, I did this once already, it was epic. Alright, if I kill him, then I come back to life. But if he kills me, I'm just dead. And he just takes my loot and everything. But yeah, that's basically what Desperado is. Do I want Desperado or do I like...
Welcome to Battle Royale. The match is about to start.
I'll keep Desperado.
Get ready.
Oh, there we go. That is so delayed. Yeah, I can be as loud as I want currently because I'm in the car, as to oppose of my house because it's too loud, because people are making noise in there and it's really loud, especially with small children in there. So I didn't even decide where to go. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna fly straight. I jumped out a bit too early. I'll land here by the black market area. I flew straight from the moment I clicked the button. From the moment it popped up, I just flew. What gunfire? Okay. Hopefully no one else lands here before I get a gun. And I get to shoot them. Armor. I need a gun. Can you like give me a gun, please? Ah, it's the rear entrance. No, there's no entrance here. Go. The golden gun. Oh, and it's the gun I love. Oh, let's go. This gun's amazing. The right take. My friend would really love that. Oh, lag. No. Odin. I could have the same loader that I had before with Odin and the right thing. And my... There we go. Odin. DLQ3. Oh, I don't think it was bad this time again. I don't have a sniper, why am I picking up sniper expert? ICR. I see. Oh, I could have sworn I saw a guy. Am I in the safe zone? I'm in the safe zone. Let's go. Now we just can loot all the buildings in peace. Level 3 backpack. Alright. Looting. Opening doors wherever I can. Right. There's an upgrade terminal, I think. 3 times multi-kill. Damn. This is an upgrade terminal. Can you access this at the beginning of game before they even say upgrade terminals already? I don't think so. No, I can't. It's still locked. It's powering up. Okay, let's see it powering up. Wow, that's cool. Power up faster. Yeah. Dick. Oh. Forgot I can loot these boxes. I got a 3 times zoom for my Odin. Wow, and I can see further. Ship terminal is almost ready. Save zone will shrink in 10 seconds. Oh, don't mind my dog barking. I don't know why. On the first post, I just clicked it the moment it popped up. Oh, sorry for the mic noise. Alright, you wanna go? I got the strongest gun. Let's go to standoff. My favorite Black Ops 2 map. Ah, that knife animation is amazing. Alright, another box. Heavy ammo. Oh, M16. I. Really damaged me, Paradi. Okay, he did damage, but not like a lot. Alright, take your ammo. Thanks for the ammo as well, by the way. Right. We got in here smoke grenades. More heavy ammo. I got 220 rounds on more light ammo. Alright, let's keep going. Standoff is right here. For some reason, people like going to standoff. There's a ton of people at standoff. My last round. To find one of those arsenal drops, I can get my pistol. Awesome. I've got my 360 headphones on. Get out of here, son. And also I have an indicator. No plating up. Oh, headshot. Do you think I'm using aimbot? Because I just slid in and just automatically aim for his head. And that was just pure skill. Someone else used it, I think. Wait, someone's opening the door and just taking it. What the heck? Frozen.
Airdrop incoming.
Okay, well, good. For the airdrop. I'm more concerned about arsenal supplies. Yeah. Got no arsenal. Oh, wait, that's the arsenal. It's gonna land somewhere. Hey. Okay, so it's in that direction. Let's go there. I can hear it. Wow. Right, it's over there. Let's go get it.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Oh, there's it. Why don't people have all the same backpack then? I think that guy got the arsenal thing. Let me just mark it on my mini map. There we go. It's a direct hit. What the heck? I think it just started gliding. I was barely in the air when I did that. I was closer to the ground in my character's head when I did that. That is weird. Okay, we're right here, coming up on the arsenal thing. I'm gonna swap out my M16 and I'm keeping the double P. I keep forgetting this thing's name. Double P SH41.
Airdrop incoming.
There we go. Put the pistol. No, but now this gun also uses light ammo. So let's take this back. Okay, good to know. I could have taken a Desert Eagle and made a Kimbo. Why did that not? Hey, someone has a helicopter. Hey, what the heck? I'm being shot at. Where's this guy? Oh, there's him. Die. Almost gone, bud. You haven't laid a single shot on me yet. He's dead. I wish I put a suppressor on this thing so I don't draw attention to myself and fight this. Okay, but other people don't have suppressors on them. So if they're gonna draw attention as well, both have to have suppressors on. Ooh, that's a good idea for a challenge. If this video gets 2 likes actually now, I think it was 2. If it gets 2 likes, if it gets 2 likes, me and my friend will do a stealth only challenge. And every gun we take must have a suppressor on it. That means we can, the moment we get arsenal, we have to use the gun that we put a suppressor on. It could be any gun though. I don't think he'll like doing the pistol challenge. He preferred the sniper. guys, we're gonna win this. I believe. And then there's 37 people left. The stadium. There's normally crowds of people here. This is where I found the 4th last person. Either they're above there or they are down here. Oh, they're down here. With lag. Okay, I'm waiting for someone. Lag. Someone died from China. No, I died. I told you it's a good thing to take this Desperado book. Okay, let's move on.
Airdrop incoming.
I think we're gonna have the same backpack. Oh jeez. It makes me act like I was long ranged. Server shrinking. It's going to shrink. I still have so much bullets firing. Use all these bullets. It's just such a shame. Definitely wouldn't drop this somewhere. Still. Okay, so the mall is vacant of people, I think, by now. I'm gonna sit in this bush. This is where I sat the last time. And someone didn't notice me. Kind of, they were over there. But the truck, truck. Get in. Wait, wrong way. It's in that direction. Got some major here. Okay, I just need 2 more kills and I'll get 10 kills and then I'll be happy. This lamppost, I thought this was a person. Right? Where's the way to the top? Do I have a button? I can do
Airdrop incoming.
back off, homie. Wait, I'm lagging. Lagging. Hiya! Slide. It's still fun. I broke his shields. Oh wow, it's another battle down there. And that guy's dead. Other guy's dead. Oh shit. No, I died! No! Why'd my voice go weird now? Game over. Second place will do, I guess. It's fine. We did well though, soldiers. We did well. And this is now the end of my video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll hopefully see you all in the next one. That will be probably in still 5 hours. Bye. Ooh. Almost pro.